Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and creating the project now. Make sure Android Studio is up to date and the correct JDK is selected. This avoids build errors later. Once done, open New Project, choose Empty Compose Activity and pick Kotlin. Name the app and set the package. Select Minimum SDK that supports Compose, usually API 21+. You'll immediately get a Gradle project populated with Compose templates, so you can begin editing main activity and composable previews. Next, you configure the build system so Compose works reliably. Open Module Build, Gradle, KTS or Build, Gradle and enable build features. Compose equals true, then set Kotlin compiler extension version to match the Compose BOM or release you chose. Add core Compose UI, Material or Material 3, tooling preview, and lifecycle viewModel dependencies so your app is testable and maintainable. Sync Gradle and watch the build output. If compilation fails, check Kotlin and Compose versions for compatibility before changing code. Finally, you run and validate the Compose UI. Launch an emulator or physical device and press run. Make sure to use Compose Preview and Live Edit when available for immediate feedback. Test navigation and state with simple composables and preview snapshots. Annotate functions with @preview to inspect layouts. If things go wrong, start by cleaning and rebuilding, verify Gradle wrapper, confirm Kotlin and Compose versions match, and examine the build log for dependency conflicts. You'll usually fix it by aligning version numbers or updating the Gradle plugin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.